So, hi everyone, this video is to explain how to use the partitioning and recombining method to add more easily. So the red job is to simply practice matching the tens to the tens and the ones to the ones. So Miss Warne encourages everybody to do a T and an O for tens and ones so that you know which numbers go with which. So you would just draw a line diagonally down from the tens to join the tens, and you would draw another line diagonally from the ones to the ones. And that's it. You don't have to do the calculation for red, you just need to practice matching the tens to the tens and the ones to the ones. Okay, so when you've done it lots of times, it'll become more easy. Miss Warne's had lots of practice, so that's why I can do it so quick. And then when you get onto orange, the W is already drawn for you, but you do need to solve the problem. So if you've got 3 tens and you add one more 10, you don't just have 4, you have 10, 20, 30, 40. So that is where you write 40. And then you've got 6 ones and 2 more ones, which you can use your fingers or you can do it in your head and count on, which is 8. So then you have 48. That would be your answer. And then again, 30 add 20 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then 7 and one more, 7, 8. So then 50 and 8 is 58. Then 30 and 20 again. We could work it out, but we've just done it here. So we know that 30 and 20 makes 50. And then 4 and 2, 4, 5, 6. And then 50 and 6 is 56. And then if you get onto green, you don't have the number sentences there. You need to write them out. So for example, if I had 25, add 14, I can draw my T and O for tens and ones to help me if I need to. And I match the tens to the tens and then the ones to the ones. And then I have 20. Add 10 is 30. Then I have 5 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I have 30 and 9 is 39. So you might think, oh, it's just the same, Miss Warne, but it's because the method is being drawn independently. And I must say that it's really important to write 30 here and not just 3, because we need to really reinforce, we need to really understand that the 2 is a 20 and not just a 2. Then once you've done enough green and you're confident with that, you can go on to purple. And purple is very similar to green, but you might need to partition and recombine again. So if you have 36, add 17, you can still do T and O, that's no problem at all. You match the tens to the tens and the ones to the ones. You have 30 and one more 10 is 40, and then you have 6 and 7. Now you might know the answer. You might know that this is made of 4 and a 3, so you've got 10 and 3, so it's 13. Or you can put 6 in your head or 7 in your head and count on. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But unlike the other number sentences, 30 and 9 is 39, 50 and 8 is 58, 40 and 13 is 40, 13. No, that doesn't work. So then you do the partitioning and recombining method again. The tens to the tens, the ones to the ones. So 40 add one more 10 is 50. And then nothing, add 3, 1, 2, 3 is 3. And actually it's quite tricky adding a number to nothing because it's a tricky concept to understand. So if I do it like Miss Warne usually does, I start with nothing and then I add on the number so that it is clear. And now I can go 50 and 3 is 53. That's the partitioning and recombining method. If anybody finds that tricky or needs it explained, then just let Miss Warne know. Thank you.